Welcome to Google Classroom. I want to take just a minute to let you know how you will join your Google Classroom. If you check your email, you will find that there is a classroom code that has been sent to you that will allow you to join a class. Then you will just go to Google, click on the waffle, and at the waffle, you should find the Google Classroom icon, and then you will click on that. Once you've clicked on the Google Classroom icon, the classes that you are a part of will show up on your page. For most of you, there will be nothing here because you've not joined any classes. I have joined classes, and so therefore you can see what I'm a part of. You will click on this little plus sign in the top right corner, and when you do, you will click Join Class. Then from there, you will use the class code that you got in your email to join the class. Okay, be sure that you follow it specifically, that you're very precise so that you'll join the correct class. Once you've joined, then you will see one of the classes that I'm teaching. So for my classes, it will be Dual Credit Biology 1, Chemistry, or A&P, depending on which class you're enrolled in. So what I want to do is I want to take you to Dual Credit Biology 1. Even though you may not be in that class, you can still follow the same procedures and still see where everything is located. So I'm going to click on this, and when I do, it brings me to the Google Classroom. Okay. So the first thing you'll notice is that there's a classroom stream. The classroom stream is basically announcements. This is where I'll announce things that you need to complete, due dates that are coming up, tests that are going to be happening, Zoom sessions or Google Meet sessions that I'm conducting, but all of your pertinent information will be found right here in the Google Stream. You have the ability to reply to anything that I have in the stream just by clicking on it and typing in your comment, statement, question, whatever it may be, and then clicking the send button, and it will show up as a comment, and then I can check that and respond back as needed. This is not the best way to contact me because this gets extremely complicated when a lot of people are commenting. If it's something you need a question answer to quickly, I suggest that you email me or send me a remind message. To find your work in a Google Classroom, you go to the Classwork tab. In the Classwork tab, you're going to see units set up for you. Now, each class will have different units. You should all have a welcome unit, and the welcome unit will have some material. This means material. So you click on it, and then you'll see that there are all kinds of links below. Right here, you'll see this is the syllabus, and you'll have one for your class. You may see a welcome slide, and you may even see a video. Click on those, watch those, and learn a little more about the class. You're also going to find one of your first assignments, which is a student information sheet. This little icon means it's an assignment, and you're going to turn it in. Yours will look a little different because I'm the teacher, and so therefore I see a different version. But when you click on it, you'll see a Google form. You click on that, complete it, and then you'll click submit. So that's the welcome tab. You'll also notice that there is a unit plan. Unit plans are important because they're going to tell you exactly what you need to do on what day. So you click on the unit plan, and you'll see that they are divided up based on what student you are. If you're an A-Day student, you would click on A-Day. And then a calendar pops up that tells you exactly what you need to do each day, whether you're at school or at home. Okay? And this will be present in every class that I teach. So you can follow that plan to know exactly what you need to turn in and when. Back to our classwork. You'll notice then there is a current event section. If your class does current event assignments, there will be a video that you can watch on how to complete a current event assignment. These are where they are submitted. And then finally, you'll find your units. And units are set up. I try to put them in order. And you will click on the very first thing. This is your material. And it's going to tell you what all we're covering. You'll find your PowerPoints, You'll find links to enrichment videos, links to videos that are in the PowerPoint. You'll find reading and excerpts that you need to read through. And then I put each assignment separately. And when it says view more, just click view more, and the rest of the unit will pop up for you in order for you to take it, okay? You'll notice that tests are also taken here. Even if you're not a virtual student, we are still going to take our test in the Google Classroom. You'll just be taking yours at school. So you can go through and you get an idea of what is available for you in the Google Classroom. You will be able to check your grades under the Grades tab. Of course, right now there are no grades, but whenever you're curious about what you're making on things, just click on that, or you can click on the assignment and you'll see the points that were given to you. Okay, so this is a walk through our Google Classroom. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Talk to you later.